Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to attach documents on DeepSeek AI. First step is to open any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After that you can see this search bar on the top and here you can type DeepSeek. After that it will lead you to this home page and here to log into your account click on this start now. After you have logged into your account you can see this page. And here to attach any documents you can see this icon, click on it. Now it will open the folders on your PC. Simply choose your document and click on open. Now it may take some time to download your document on this app. There is also another way to attach document on DeepSeek AI. Simply open your folder. After that, click on the document that you want to upload on DeepSeek AI. Simply drag this document and leave it here. Here you can see that the documents are being attached on DeepSeek AI. So following the simple and easy step, you can now easily attach documents on DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.